So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run the scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Microsoft Visual C++. Now once you're on this website, we're going to scroll down. We're going to be having two downloads right here, x86 and x64. To know which one you need, you're going to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you run this, if we look next to system type, it's going to be telling us. So for me, I'm on x64, so I'm going to be getting the x64 download. If you want says x32 or x86, then you want to get the other download. For me, since I'm on x64, I'm going to be getting this download right here, x64. I'm going to click on this. It's now going to start downloading. And then once it's been downloaded, we're now going to click on it. And now this will come up. You want to click on I agree, you want to tick this box, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start downloading. If you get this, you want to click on yes, wait for this to load. It should now be saying setup successful. We're now going to close out of this. And now for the next step, you want to head over to the next link, which will be down below in the description, to download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Now once you run this, you're going to scroll down, select your language, and then click on download. We should now have the download right here. You want to click on it. And then once this comes up, you want to click on yes. And now this will come up. Now you're going to tick this box, I accept, and then click on next. And we can now untick this. We don't want to install the Bing bar. We're going to untick this and then click on next. It's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. And now you're going to click on next again. Wait for this to load. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start installing components. Wait for this to load. It should now be saying installation complete. You now want to click on finish. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.